When this Lancaster homeowner called us about soft spots in their flooring and a strange musty smell, they had no idea what we'd find. It turned out that a hot water slab leak had been running silently beneath their home, spreading moisture to nearly every room on the first floor. The entryway, living room, kitchen, bedrooms, water had damaged drywall, flooring, insulation, and even the wood framing. Time was critical. First, we tested for asbestos and lead. Both came back negative, so we could move fast. We carefully removed all the damaged materials, from soaked drywall to ruined flooring. Then came the real work, strategic drying. Air movers and dehumidifiers ran while we monitored moisture levels daily. Every surface had to be completely dry before we'd call it done. The result? A safe, dry home ready for rebuilding and another Lancaster family back on track. At Scientific Restoration Specialists, we know water damage spreads fast, but we move faster. Call us 24/7.